Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Saturday, August 30th, 2025, and this is an update on the Chris Craft. So today I received the restored instruments, the gauges. They look beautiful. The restoration was done by this company, Kosian Instruments, out of Stacy, Minnesota. And I also bought from them a new tachometer cable. So another piece of the puzzle is done, and there's the dashboard where the gauges will go, but not quite yet. So pretty soon here, maybe later tonight or tomorrow, I'll make a video about the engine. I've installed the water cooling lines, so I want to go over that. But I'll do that in a separate video. Okay, that's it for now. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.